You guys were doing so good. Look. No, it stopped. It stopped again. No.
Stop, no.
No.
I just stopped.
It's glitching so hard right now.
Black, put your party hat on.
Oh, lag.
Black, put your party hat on right now.
What's that?
Only for Monkey Man. You don't have to. No. You don't have to.
I can barely walk.
What's that?
This lag is freaking insane.
Time to
Wait, why did it stop?
Okay.
Why did it stop?
Oh my gosh, this lag. I can't jump. Holy crap. This lag's insane.
Come on, go up, please.
Go up.
No, we need to get this monkey. How many monkeys?
Please go up.
Monkey.
Monkey hat king, okay? More monkey! Monkeys tonight.
More monkeys.
Gonna break.
More monkeys.
Monkeys.
More
Big
monkeys.
monkey, everybody. Big
More
monkey.
monkeys. More monkeys. More monkeys.
More monkeys.
He wasn't a very good one.
Come on, bro.
Oh my god.
We're doing good.
Guys, the mouse.
Put your freaking party hat on, mouse dude.
No, it's the whole time.
Put your party hat on.
Yes.
Put it
I
on.
need.
Put it on. Put it on.
No party hat. Come on. Do
it.
Everybody, if you have the flag or at least a celebrating cosmetic, put it on. Put it on.
Yeah,
Rip your skin off.
Yeah, sure.
You can get some candy if you wanna.
That was celebrating cosmetic. Oh my gosh. No.
Fireworks.
Except this party hat.
Yeah, fireworks. We need fireworks.
Yes.
I don't know where's my balloon.
Let's celebrate.
Oh, do I have exclusive cosmetic?
Egg roll.
Let's celebrate Monkey Mayhem. Everybody,
Monkey
let it
Mayhem.
grow.
Come on, go up.
Yo, should we go look at this thing?
Wait, guys, we gotta hit it to make it go up. Hit it to go up.
I probably can't. Oh, the map is on fire.
I know.
It's setting on fire.
It's going up.
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 It's going up. Guys, this
Is
is
it
a
going up?
monster.
It's going up.
Keep going. Come on.
It's Monkey Mayhem.
Come on. Let's go. Woo.
Come on, go up. I dare you to go up.
This lobby has exploded.
Oh, it's going up. It's going up.
It's going up.
It's stuff like this and I'm crashing out.
It's gonna hit 6-7. No, I saw this. Wait.
It's a fire again.
It's going up. Yeah.
It's going up. There's 65,000 people.
Guys, put fireworks on top of it.
Put fireworks on top of it.
Yeah, on top of the sign.
Oh my gosh, I'm glitching so hard right now.
That's good.
That's good.
Guys, I am next.
Oh, it stopped. No, it stopped. No.
No.
Oh, this guy got the OG one.
Your party hat. Would be so funny.
Put your party hat on.
Put your question to that.
Put your party hat on.
Does it cost like
Only party hats allowed in this server.
It's the same one as this. It's the same one as this, but it's like the OG version. Because you know, like J-Man and VNT host.
all my game pros?
Hosted events, like.
Yeah, oh yeah. VR? We are VR too, bro.
This is part 2 of We Are VR.
I got it perfectly. Give me your bag. Give me your bag.
The Monkey Mayhem happened. Should I guess Elliot's flower?
Once we reach 100K, I think it'll end.
Gorilla tag.
It doesn't
Oh shoot!
No, you
Nice stuff.
pleasure.
This sword's so big on there.
Pleasure.
Go up more.
You can get me up to.
Oh,
Come on.
Please.
Everybody,
It's still not going up.
I was making it 67,000.
I say let it grow.
Let it grow.
Wait, can you put it?
Plant the seeds inside the earth. What it's worth. Let it grow, let it grow.
I think if we hit the amount like
You get high to make
100,000, I
show.
think we are able
Plant
to
the
like
seeds
get a
inside
super
the
duper
earth.
rare cosmetic.
Wait, guys, what do you, what do you think, like, if it hits 100K, what do you guys think is gonna happen?
Free cosmetic.
Yeah, like another free cosmetic.
I think the game's gonna crash. It explodes.
Yeah, the game's definitely gonna crash, but do you think we're gonna get a free cosmetic? Wait, guys, aren't they handing out free plushies? 200K. Wait,
If you rip an entire red skin off, it can only live for about 20 seconds.
wait, guys,
You know
aren't they
if you
handing out
like
those
shut someone
monkeys?
head off, you can, his brain is working for 5 seconds.
It's happening. I think it's
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Look at everybody waiting
I kind of don't want it though. I can just buy
something.
something.
And don't ask I know about the human one.
Make us feel a little glitzy.
That game would crash if we like hit
The whole
them.
game.
I'm like
The
eating
game is gonna crash at 99K, I guarantee.
You're eating children?
Please.
crash.
People get on. Please, people.
This monkey mayhem.
We're trying to beat the world record for the most player online on a VR game. We're only at this number.
Gorilla Tag.
And we're trying to hit the 100. And we're trying to hit the 100K.
Guys, it's going up. It's going up.
Let's go it up.
Did you get the free badge?
Let's go, bro.
Did you get the free badge? Yo, mister,
Let's go.
there's some exclusive
Going up.
There's
It's going up and up and up and
Everybody,
around.
get the badge. It's only out for a day. Did you
Oh,
get
no.
the badge? It's only out for a day. Yeah, the badge is super rare.
It's going
Get
up,
the badge.
guys.
It's only out for a day.
Going up.
Get the badge, get the badge.
Yeah,
I have the
I
badge
got
for
the
a
badge,
day.
but I don't got the VR headset because I don't want to waste.
It stopped again.
Everybody just anyway.
You're like,
Start.
It's literally bad because it's literally $0.
Guys, I got
Monkey mayhem. Let's go.
Oh wait, I have my rocket launcher.
You got the VR,
Rocket launcher.
but it's not working. Come on, please, people, get on.
Come on, people, get it.
Yo, guys, I might go looking for curators here soon.
What's happening? What is that?
No, you get
What is
like
that?
25. You got like
What is that?
Mickey. No, I meant like MM curators.
Mickey died. I don't know where I went.
Mickey, I put it away.
with this amount of people online.
You're like a me only one in the. No,
No,
armed students. Oh,
Guess
wow.
Guess who I met? Guess who I met? Guess who I met? Frank, you little.
Yo, Mickey, met Minnie cheated on you with Goofy.
But like he had to quit to go in different lobbies.
What?
My technique is just like stay now.
Everybody put on your party hat.
Your party hat
Yeah.
on.
Sing.
Go up, bro. I don't want to wait any longer. Put my party hat on.
I'm celebrating with the fire stick.
My game's lagging so hard right now, bro.
You don't have something with my
Why is anybody going on?
Can you burn my stick?
Come on, it's taking forever. Oh no, I'm white too. That means it's like glitching insanely hard.
Monkey mayhem.
Monkey mayhem, monkey mayhem,
Well,
monkey mayhem.
Dance party.
No!
Dun, 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 dun.
Fine, crew. I can't prove menu. Yeah, guys, it's lagging.
Oh.
Think of my legs.
And we know that it's lagging. It's totally normal.
What happens if it kicks on your voice?
Like jumping on me running the world.
Dude, I don't think my VR's gonna make it all the way, bro. It's already in like half. It's already at like 50%.
Oh, that's not good
And I'm
deal.
not 100% because I got extra battery.
I even
That's not good
charged my
at all.
headset. I even
That
charged
does not
my
good.
headset before I even got on.
I say what?
Look, mine is at 303%.
What? Damn. How is that even
Because I got extra battery. I got extra
That's
battery.
aura. That's literal aura.
Buddy really got the fucking battery upgrade.
Yeah.
Buddy,
Because-
his headset up to level 3.
Yo, I have a girl outfit. Yes, I have a girl outfit.